Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright series, that is Locators. Okay, so this is going to be a very important video because while Locators plays a very important role in the world of automation. Okay, so Locators, the word itself tells locating something, right? What you are going to locate? We are going to locate the web elements in a page. Okay, so in the page there will be web elements like username, password, right? Normally you'll have forgot password, like search button, right? Click, some buttons will be there, a cancel button will be there. So there will be a lot of buttons in a web page, right? Those buttons should be located. So we need some locators to locate a particular, right, web element in a page. Okay, so there are some different locators in the Playwright world. So we'll see one by one. Okay, let's create a new class. Okay, let's create a new class called locators. Playwright locators. Okay, so I'll click finish. Then I'll click create a main method now. Okay, then I'll initialize the Playwright. This we have seen for numerous videos now. Okay, Playwright dot create the create method. I'm going to initialize the Playwright. Then I'm going to launch the Chrome browser with the help of Chromium, and I'm going to give browser type, set headless, and set channel is Chrome. Okay, this we are saying for some videos now. Okay, hope you have followed the all the basic videos. Okay, now let's navigate a new page in the Chrome browser with the help of new page method. Launch start new page. Okay, now right, we'll see one by one locators. First we'll navigate to the whatever URL we want to automate. Okay, we'll take the amazon.in, then that I'll copy and paste it. So now we are navigated to the URL. Let's use the first locator, new page dot, okay, get by label first. Okay, so there is one locator called as get by label. If we inspect, right, we can capture by label, that is the tag name. Okay, so we'll capture by the tag name, right, called label. Okay, whatever tag name which is having the label, it will capture that. Okay, so I'm going to take that and take search Amazon. Okay, it's going to search the tag name by label and it's going to locate it, and I'm going to type something called as t-shirt or mobile something, whatever it might be. Okay, so the first locator is get by label, so it is going to search by the tag name label and locate it. Okay, this is the first locator. Let me run it. Browser launched, navigated the URL and entered the mobile. Okay, so get by label locator is working now. Okay, let me go to again to the next locator. Okay, let me comment this line. I'll again call the reference new page dot. This time I'll try with get by placeholder. Okay, get by placeholder attribute value in the DOM. Okay, so in the DOM we'll have a place by holder value, right? Let me take that one. So you can see, right, placeholder. Right, so I'm going to take this attribute name and going to locate it. Okay, so I'm just copying the value here and I'm going to paste it, then same dot type mobile. Okay, semicolon. Let me run the code. Browser launched, URL launched, and it typed the mobile. So get by placeholder is working. Okay, let me go to the next locator, that is get by text. Okay, so there will be a black color text in the DOM, right? We are going to get that. Okay, new page dot get by text. Okay, let me go to the DOM and I'll show you the black color text there. Let me locate it. I'll take this cell, right? I'll take this cell link. Let me go and locate it. You can see the black color text at the last. Okay, so I want to take this text now. Okay, so for that I use one locator called as get by text, and I copy the black color text and I'll click it. So this is one locators in the Playwright. One minute, let me see. It didn't click the cell link. One minute, new page. Dot get by text string text. I need to import the proper method. One minute. I'll show this one, right? Amazon Mini TV. One minute. Dot click I'll give. I'm trying with another link. One minute. Let me run it now. Now click the Amazon Mini TV, right? So this is how we can use the get by text locator. Okay. Now let's go and try for another locator. Get by a role. Okay. Get by role normally you'll use it for buttons. Okay. Get by role normally you'll use it for a button. I'll take another application now. New page, navigate, for example, right? I'll take another application here, so that there is some button here. I'll take this orange charm application, so that there is an right login button. We'll do this one. Okay, now let's copy that. See, now I'll directly click the login button and see whether it's the error is popping up. Enter username and password. Okay, let me navigate to the particular URL first. Okay, and I'll give a semicolon. Okay, then you should go and give array dot button comma new page dot get by role options dot, we should get set name, and the we should go to the DOM. Then we should right take the button. We should go to the DOM first. Then we should get the name, the login button name. The name of the button you should take. Then you should paste here. Okay. Then give click. We are going to click the button, right? Now let me run the code now. Navigate to Charam page. I click the login button, right? So get by role is working. So get by role, we can use it for right using the locating the button. Okay. Now let's go to the next locator. I'll try with another new application now. Mindra.com. So I'll find the image here. You can see this image, right? Let me locate it. Okay, so with the help of right get by alt text. Okay, I'll use another locator called as get by alt text to locate a particular image, right? Normally we'll use css selectors, right, in the other automation tools, right? We'll use here get by alt text for locating an image here. I'll navigate to the Mayantra data application. Then I'll give page start, get by all text. Okay. Then I'll take the go to the DOM. Okay. I'll go to DOM. We'll see alt attribute is there, right? I'll capture that one. Okay. I'll capture the value of the alt attribute. I'll locate it. I'll just copy it. Walnut. Yeah. Alt attribute, right? I'll copy it. Then I'll paste it. Okay, so with the help of get by alt text alt attribute, we can locate a particular image in the Playwright world. Okay, I'll go and click it. Let me run the code. Okay, now it's loading, just 1 minute, right? One minute. I'll copy this 1 minute. I'll paste the full right all text here. 1 minute. I missed it last time. Now I'll run again. I click the image, right, and invert to next window. Okay, so we should do window handling. We saw this one concept in the last videos. Okay, now this is how we can capture the alt, right, text. Okay, now let's do the last one, right? Last before one, get by title. Okay, how to get by title. Okay, now let's go to again to the same application, get by title. Okay, let me go to the application. So another locator, get by title of the particular right web element. Okay, so there is a title there located that particular image. Let me paste it and give dot click. Okay, so we can get by the title attribute also in the DOM. Okay, let me run the code. Okay, it click the image and it navigated to the next screen. Okay, get by title is working now. Okay, so these are the locators in the Playwright. Hope you learned the locators. So again I'm telling, locators are used to locate a particular web element in the page. Okay, so hope this video is useful to you. Shortly we are planning for a framework from the scratch. Right, please continue to follow the YouTube channel. We are going to try in different languages also, like JavaScript and C Sharp also. Okay, continue to follow us in the YouTube channel. See you soon in the next part of video. Bye, have a great day. Bye.